Hey there, welcome to Nestse, our fun and colorful lesson on punctuation. Let's learn how little marks like dots, commas, and squiggles can totally change how a sentence sounds and make writing super clear. Today, we're going to learn how to use punctuation correctly. We'll look at each mark, see examples, and learn when to use them. Ready to become a punctuation pro? Let's go! First up is the period. It goes at the end of a regular sentence, kind of like a full stop. Example: I love eating pizza. Easy, right? When your sentence is done, add a period. Next is the exclamation point. It shows excitement or strong feeling. Use it when something is loud, surprising, or exciting. Example: wow, that roller coaster was awesome. It's like shouting with punctuation. Now let's ask something. With a question mark. It goes at the end of any question. Example: do you like ice cream? See, it tells the reader you're asking some question. Time for a quick pause. The comma. Use it to separate items in a list or to make sentences easier to read. Example: I packed a sandwich, juice, and a cookie. Commas keep your list nice and neat. Here comes the semicolon, a little fancier. It connects two sentences that are closely related. Example: I wanted to play outside. It was sunny and warm. It's like saying, these ideas go together. Let's pause for a second, with an ellipsis. It's three little dots that show something is missing or a thought is drifting. Example: I was walking through the forest, then I heard a sound. Spooky or suspenseful. Ellipses are fun. Now, let's talk with quotation marks. Use them when someone is speaking. Example: let's build a fort, said Leo. They show what someone actually said, like a voice in writing. Let's meet the apostrophe. It shows ownership. If something belongs to someone, we use it. Example: Emma's backpack is bright pink. The apostrophe says, that backpack belongs to Emma. And finally, the colon. Use it to introduce a list or something important. Example: I brought my favorite things. A ball, a book, and a snack. The colon says, here comes something cool. And that's a wrap on punctuation. Now you know how to end sentences, show excitement, ask questions, and so much more, all with the right punctuation marks. Keep practicing and soon your writing will really shine.